In this video, you'll learn how to duplicate a Notion page into a different workspace. First, select your document hub from the navigation panel. Then, click the Share button to start preparing the page for sharing or duplication. Next, click the Publish button twice to make your page available for copying. Choose the Duplicate as Template option to get your page ready for transfer, and copy the link. After that, open the Add menu and select Add to begin moving the duplicated page into your desired workspace. Now, click the address or search bar and type to locate or set your destination workspace. Click Duplicate to create a copy in the new location. Select Add to Private Workspace to manage the privacy of your copied page. Next, choose the correct email or workspace option and confirm your selection by choosing All to Private. Finally, select the target workspace from the drop-down to complete copying the page. That's it. You've copied your Notion page to another workspace.